Hello and welcome. Discover the Oojami 30-piece set of gold-rimmed clear Classicware champagne toasting flutes, perfect for any celebration. These elegant glasses feature a timeless silhouette and are designed for easy hand washing and reuse. Each set includes 30 easy-to-assemble glasses with a snug-fitting base and glass, making storage simple after your event. Ideal for catering, weddings, picnics, buffets, family reunions, and everyday use, they add a touch of sophistication to any occasion. Please note, these flutes are not suitable for boiling liquids, dishwasher, or microwave use, and are BPA-free for safety. Enjoy the convenience of disposable elegance with Oojami's classic champagne flutes. Cheers to stylish and easy celebrations. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details on a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.